Hi, friends, and welcome to Crafting at the Lake House. Every year at the end of September, I gather with my Stampin' friends and have a lovely time making Christmas cards. This series will air every Monday and Wednesday for 6 weeks. And I have something planned for you on Fridays as well. Anyway, instead of showing you the lake house as I have done in the past with all the attendees, I thought I would share the attendees' swag bag this time. So you can go to my website and actually sign up if you are local for the next Crafting at the Lake House. Anyway, so the attendees got handmade and heartfelt kit, which is a kit that makes 10 cards and also a desk organizer, and it has a stamp set and everything you need to create these projects. So that big gift goes in the swag bag. And then I had a BOGO sale just for the attendees, so they could order in the online catalog and get something to take home at the event. I also had a product share for them as well if they wanted to sign up. So, and of course, the reason why I give these swag bags and so many little gifties is because it is not lost on me how much people, they spend their day with me, they spend their hard-earned money with me, they deserve to get a little something to surprise and delight. That is what I like to do for my online customers as well as my in-person customers. They got a lovely vintage paper pack. And it was like, it's so cute that it's wrapped up in designer series paper as well. So, and it's retired. They don't care. I made a little notepad so that they can jot their notes down or just tuck it in their purse. And then I always put my little branding on the back there. And then, of course, I included a pen, which is in that little tube. I didn't want to open it up. But what I feel like when the attendees came and they were opening up these things, this happens to be a scissor charm. It doesn't matter how small the trinket is, that when you wrap it up and give it to somebody, it makes them feel obviously that they are loved and or cared about, and it makes that thing that's inside more special. So a lot of my attendees said, oh, well, it feels like it's Christmas, like we're opening up something at Christmas. They felt special. And of course they are special. And this little, it's like a little suitcase, isn't it? I decorated it with the Halloween theme. And I also put those 4 little chocolate bars in there, those mini chocolate bars. And then this is a little reusable snack holder. We have salted nuts and jelly beans. And then this was it's called That's It. And it has, it's like fruit leather. It's a very healthy fruit snack. I'm conscious of, there was a couple people who had dietary restrictions and, they can't have copious amounts of chocolate. And, it's not always healthy. So it is nice to have high energy little snacks that they can tuck in their purse. Even if they don't eat it on the day, they can have it. This is a letter opener. And again, I put a little sticker on there that says, thank you. And it's important for me to treat these folks. It is not lost on me that they are spending their hard-earned money, and I do very much appreciate them. Here's a little goodie that I got from, I think it was Instagram. You're totally awesome. I know it, you know it. Tiny turtle knows it. And then they get a tiny turtle. Or there was a duck, or there was a couple different things. So anyway, and I just wanted to show my appreciation for that. not only did they get that this bag, and every year I do something different with the bag. This year was a nod to Harry Potter. And here we go with card number 1. And here we have 2 pieces of cardstock. That's Pool Party. And it is 10 1/8 by 4, and we've scored it at 5 3/4. So here is my garden green, and I have just a tiny little strip, 2 inches wide, probably half an inch or so tall, and I have stamped Christmas time is here. This is the Falling Snow stamp set. They've inked up the Pool Party here, and then this was the largest stitch circle die from the Stylish Shapes dies, and I just left the background stamp in the case, and then hopefully like that you can get it off. And then, so the sentiment came from the stamp set called A Little Cheer, and that is bundled with 3 little punches too. So this paper is, what's it called? North Pole Delivery. And I cut out these little Christmas stores, but the folks had to just fussy cut the sky off of it. So once they did that, I included some Scotch tape, and they are going to adhere the label or the sentiment to the bottom of those stores. And again, there was plenty of those little stores that they could choose from. But they all got all of these components in their, I want to say like in their little swag bag, but we left it on their tables. So I'm putting dimensional adhesive on the back of that focal point, and then we're going to put it on the Falling Snow stitched circle, and then we're going to get to making the card base. So I just want to remind everybody, if you're interested, you're more than welcome. Free download for you to go and pick up the PDF that corresponds with this particular card build. So here are my 2 pieces. There's 10 1/8 by 4 inches. They're scored at 5 3/4. I'm adhering them one on top of the other. And then, of course, I did the pre-scoring for everybody, but basically, if you looked at it, all you do is fold one of the edges over on itself. And so that would be like, I don't know, there's probably a half an inch or so open on one side. Does that make sense? Probably not. Yeah, you just fold it so that it's folded down. So you have one flap going up and one flap going down. Try to make them equal. There's about a half an inch of a bit on the side, and we will decorate that. So we have, let's see here, basic white. And I'm pretty sure the size of this is 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then there is these triangles of basic white, and basically all I did was they're 3 3/4 square, and I cut them in half diagonally. And there was the North Pole Designer Series paper. They were sized 3 1/2 by 3 1/2, and then I cut them diagonally in half. And then there's also those 2 strips of Designer Series paper that goes on the side of the card, and they were 5/8 inches wide and 3 7/8 inches tall. So the measurements and everything are on the PDFs, but you can use this video to show how to put everything together, because it's a little bit easier when you see somebody demonstrate it as opposed to it just coming together in your brain. Anyway, you can kind of see what I'm doing. One of the things that I did note was these triangles. They have to be the paper anyway specifically has to be sort of a non-directional paper. I know that one of the attendees said, well, I think it looks weird, I had to fold it the other way. And I'm like, but they're non-directional. This paper is non-directional. So maybe in her brain it felt like that. So she had to, cut them differently. But yeah, I made a point of picking non-directional papers so that you wouldn't have to hurt your brain trying to figure out the which way is up kind of thing. Anyway, this is and honestly, you could use this card. I'm using it sort of this way, but you can, do it up and down too. So here's that circle piece that I am going to adhere with dimensionals on one side of the card, and then I'm going to embellish with the deer dots that coincide with this suite of products. So I just want to say that you can see all the supplies I listed today below in the video's See More section on YouTube, or in the supplies section of my blog post. And of course, those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching and for spending time with me today. I love you all making comments. I think it's great. If you've left a comment that's positive or even constructive, you can certainly do so. And if you don't see your comment come up, I will approve it. I just control the comments for bullies and scammers and that sort of thing. So anyway, thank you for the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.